kind of work. Actually reuse that. Shove that in there a little bit. We're going to try and back the caliper off a little. Just making sure we're in between the brake disc. There you go. Now we've got a bit more movement than we ordinarily would have had. We're going to take the caps off. Where's that one? There. And then, what are these? What do you reckon? I think they're 7mm. There you go. One second. 2 seconds. 250mm. So we've got the brake leader. As long as, or mine's 10mm. We don't know what yours is going to be. I'm just making sure that that's actually loose-ish. Yeah, that's moved, so that's not a problem. So what I didn't want to do is pop all this out and then realise I can't open the brake leader. So what I'm going to do is just pop the brake pads out. And also, if you have a vibration, a lot of the times it's actually this backing. I'm trying to wedge you so you don't move. I don't have any wood, but I do have some cardboard. Now the cardboard in. Do that way. Just make sure it doesn't fuck. That's another time. You got the leak. So we're going to clamp this brake line off right quick. Let's hope that actually clamps it. So you find out if it doesn't in a minute. Oh, the inside of that's all. Oh yeah. Yay. There's a reason why you have a splash mat. So hopefully, like, that's workable. We could fix that. But we're not gonna. Right, I do, just because I'm not entirely sure that this is keeping it closed, I'm gonna double clamp that. There you go. So we're just gonna get it on. Actually, wait, let's water. No, it's a one here, so I'm gonna let's try this one here. But it does its job. So we get that one, make sure it's clean. So one old piston seal. Well, you've got 2 pistons in, make sure you get any. Which you've got. One more way. Nice and clean. So, pre-greased, we've got new piston seal to go in. Make sure that's in all the way around, which it is. One new piston to go in. Now, what I'm going to do with this, make sure there's no fair on it, make sure there's no bits on it, is I'm going to put it in. So, we've got the new piston boot. We've got a new piston. I'm going to put the piston boot on the piston first. Hopefully make it sit. There you go. That's sat. Then I'm going to put the whole thing in. Now I'm going to open the brake leader. So you're where I am. Once you get it moving. Oh, I stopped. Because it's such a big caliper, you can't quite get your paws around it. Pop that off because there's going to be nothing but air coming out of that now. Yeah. Come on, beastie. It's so close. Got ya. So that's whole nothing. Like, yeah. Joy is real careful, boot. Yeah, it seems something. There it is. Now, gearballs are around. So, now I've got on, actually. That's on. That's all sealed to me. All around. Looking good. So, that's okay. And, what do we put this off? Oh, that's what's at least it. Oh, nice. I'm going to show you the routine. Because the stuff I'm going to put my side is actually good. I'm going to have it in it. Helped. Ooh. Oh, not bad. Oh, I'm going to see it. Oh, close. New slide boots in. And if you've got new pistons, it's probably going to come with new slide pin boots as well. Beep beep. There you go. I'm going to grease the outer of the slide pin as well, just to make life easier. You got that, then. There you go, that's one in. So we'll pop it in. I'll try to wear it in so you can pop it in nicely. I say, there you go. Then we can wash it. Then should get to just put in. And yes, one has to. So I've greased this one, so we're going to put this one in. I always struggle with this bit. There you go, that one in. So I've greased this one, so we're going to slide it in. There you go. Caliper hanger. I'm going to put that. So we've got the slide pins to go in. Like that. One little in there. This is number 2. You can get it. So I'm going to this and then I'll find out what. There you go. Then we're going to spin this back round. Put it back on. That's not tight. We really can't see anything there, can we, folks? That's supposed to push on there. In there with the 10 mil. That is brilliant, is that? Never used one of these brake bleeders before. One of these, like, self-manned bleeders. The slide pins are 28 Newton meters. There you go. It's the top one. Then, down the back, these are 120 Newton meters. Don't forget to put the caps back on. If you can see them, there you go. And that's one cap. That's 2 cap. And to give everything one last final clean off. Make sure all your bolts are tight, which they should be if you just torque them on. Then put your wheel on, and you are good to go. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, everybody. Bye.